Has that corn taste from corn, but obviously corn is made from made into bourbon. And when you drink corn that is out of a can, you can taste why they say that it sweetens the whiskey to make it into bourbon. So it's definitely the lowest axiom of flavor. It has that regular Cheetos cheese taste, and I don't like it. But because it's so not a main part of the flavor, it's pretty easy to overlook, not even notice if you're not concentrating. I'm gonna afterwards look up the chilies, but it doesn't seem like there's any serrano. It seems like it's straight red chili. I wouldn't even say paprika. It doesn't taste like the chili that I've gotten as a spice. That one, it almost seems like they added butter or more of a sweetness. But serrano, it's like much more of a delayed spice in the back of your mouth. This one's an immediate spice. But yeah, again, corn pretty much cuts through it. I think that like a regular cracker as well would do something similar. There's gotta be a part that makes it so addicting. You know what they say about good cooking, just add butter and salt. And maybe there is butter in this. Or salt. Some of the other things I would guess, mustard powder. I'm just like straight across the line, red hot sauce. And for a while, I did look up the ingredients of hot sauce. One of the more fringe ingredients was cloves. I thought that was a really interesting one. Well, yeah, it's usually chili, paprika. Yeah, I'm not really tasting the paprika. Maybe some garlic or onion. I remember I bought an Indian spice. I was looking for something pure, but I thought I bought something like that, but it was actually a mix. And when I was able to guess cinnamon and some of the other spices blindly after like looking up what exactly is in this typical Indian spice mix, that was definitely like an ego booster. I would say there's probably oils, and it does taste like there's oils. I'm drinking straight like olive oil. That's typically used for drinking. I've had it on bread. It's usually used for cooking. It's pretty hard to tell. But you know, I'm trying to add like or find these filler ingredients. Maybe I'll set it down for a while and come back to it. Maybe it's one of those things that needs to get oxygen like red wine. Yeah, so after coming back, there is something I want to say that is like the first bite is good, but then it starts changing flavor after you have a lot, which is kind of the reason why people drink red wine with steak. So each bite is kind of renewed. I'm trying to think if there's any crunch that's like really stands out as above this. Maybe the crunch of like pizza and fresh dough. I mean, the crunch is still good though. It's like an 8 would be too high. It's probably more like a 6 because it's a junky product. So here are the ingredients. I obviously would suggest maybe pausing, but I'm not going to move the camera. And what I'm wanting to talk about is the sugar, because I felt sugar, didn't say it, but you know, since it's coming up, I can add the value that like actually Chinese food gets cooked with sugar. Yeah, whey is interesting. It's in a lot of products actually, and whey has egg in it. Garlic powder, which is surprising because when you have actual garlic, it's so much hotter in taste than the garlic powder.